Hey, how's it going, guys? Usud here, and you're gonna learn about from char code, yeah, or you can say from char code, a method in the string. So what we're gonna do is we will log it on a console, and we will use the string object, and after that what we're gonna do, use the from char code, and inside that we will pass a bunch of numbers: 43, 190. So one thing what it does is it will return a string from this number with a specified sequence of UTF-16 code units. You know, UTF-16 universal codes for that. So and what it does, it will change into a string. So 1/2 equals I, like that. If we remove that, it will be equals. So this is what it does, and I hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.